Here's a little construction update for you. We are in the home stretch of finishing this house. Very exciting. It'll be ready beginning of September. So as you see from the renders, there's a carport here, which is optional. If the buyer wanted to purchase the home and add the carport, we could have that done within a month. But I'm going to show you guys some cool features of the home. So here's our walkway here. There will be some cement slabs for parking for 2 vehicles. Here we have lots of our lovely little garden boxes. So we'll have lots of foliage. We definitely designed this house with the tropical living, open design. You can see the wood panels up here, gorgeous. We have the overhangs at a certain measurement, so that'll help with heat and humidity and keeping the home fresh. This will be a big steel door for the home. Light switches. Guest bedroom number 2. Same size. Idea is that there'll be a closet there and a little desk. Deeper look at the kitchen. We'll have stove, oven, woodwork over there. Here we'll have dishwasher. Nice little slats that can go above the top for storing things, cabinetry, deep sink. Spot for a refrigerator, large one. Refrigerator walk hook up to. These are our little smart light switches.